What if one link and one tap on allow could put the exact GPS coordinates of a phone on your screen? In this video, I'll show you Hncker, a tool that locates smartphones using social engineering. You'll see how it works, the real setup commands, and how to protect yourself. And yes, there's a consent rule at the end. Hncker is an open source tool that locates a smartphone by hosting a web page that asks for location permission, exactly like a normal map or weather site. When the person taps allow, Hncker reads the exact latitude and longitude straight from the phone's GPS hardware. Here's how the trick works. Hncker starts a web server that hosts a page requesting location access. You get a link and send it to the target. When they open it and tap allow, the browser sends its GPS coordinates, and Hncker prints them to your screen. No GPS hardware, like on a laptop, and it falls back to IP geolocation, which is far less precise. The setup is 3 commands. First, clone the official repository from GitHub. Second, move into the folder. And third, run the tool. Hncker starts its server and gives you a link to send. Step 1. Get the code. Copy the Hncker repository from GitHub with a clone command. This pulls the whole project onto your machine. Step 2. Run the tool. Start the web server with a single Python command. Hncker boots up and hands you a link. Step 3. The payoff. When the target opens that link and taps allow, the coordinates appear on screen. Latitude and longitude, captured from GPS. Now the rule you cannot skip. Consent is everything. Only locate a phone that belongs to you, or that you have written permission to test. Tracking someone without consent is a serious crime. And to protect yourself, question every location prompt and revoke location access for sites you don't trust. If you want to learn ethical hacking and OSINT, hit that subscribe button.